In our last video, we introduced that shade is one of the main reasons for module mismatch. So, do you know how big an impact it has on the system power generation? Shade in a PV system mainly refers to the situation when an object such as trees, buildings, dust, dirt, etc., and its shadow block the sunlight from shining on the modules. Shade in a PV power station would affect the light transmittance, reduce the light radiation on the surface, and the output performance of the modules. At the same time, due to connection in series of the string PV system, when a module is shaded, the power generation of the entire string of modules would be affected. What is more serious is that when the shade exists for a long time, it will cause the module's partial temperature rising, forming a hotspot effect, thus affecting the power generation efficiency and the use life of PV modules, and even causing partial burning of the modules, bringing safety hazards. It follows that shade has a certain impact on the power generation and equipment safety of PV power stations. So, when facing such problems as shade, it is necessary to consider the impacts of module layout and orientation at the beginning of system design, or when selecting equipment, to select equipment with module-level MPPT functions such as microinverters to minimize the impact of shade. Follow us to learn more professional knowledge of PV systems.